Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you a pre-owned Formula. This is a 350 CBR that we just got in. It's a 2015 model. Wanted to point out right away, just a massive swim platform back here. Plenty of space to hang out. You got a massive sun pad back in the back here with some cup holders. It does have shore power. This boat does have a gen, so a generator is included in this boat as well. Why don't you come on board and we'll take a look on the cockpit. It's got a nice walkthrough, nice big cockpit seating. We got a nice table. People can hang around out here. We've got a garbage can under here. We've got the faucet, cold and hot water, and we do have a fridge in here as well. This boat does have the JL audio system in it, so really nice speakers. Sound is phenomenal in this boat. We've got a nice helm here. This is obviously a twin engine boat that has twin Volvos, 380 horsepower V8s. If you're looking for a little place to kind of get away from the sun a little bit, has a nice stairs down in here. There's a small place to maybe take a nap. There is a full head, another fridge down there, and some storage area. So nice little spot on the 350. And then in the bow of the boat, we have a full cushion area here, just filled in. This piece actually just kind of comes out, but it is put in right here. Just a nice little fun place to hang out with everybody. If you want to come down to MarineMax of Rogers, this boat is here and we can go through it. As always, like this video and click to subscribe to see new videos we're putting out every day.